Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to invite on Outlook calendar. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to outlook.live.com. On the left corner, select the calendar. There is a calendar icon on the upper left. As you can see over here, I am now on Outlook's calendar. Now select a date, then create a new event. In here, give an example name for your event. Once adding the details, select Save on the upper left. And then you can now close the window of the calendar. Now the next step is to go to the right corner and then look at the event that you have made. Select your event this time. Then in here, select Edit on the upper left. Then, in here you will see Invite Attendees. In here, you will just be able to enter their username or their email. Once it's already there, select their email and they shall be sent an invite to your Outlook calendar. Select Save once again on the upper left and then you should be all good to go. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.